Hey you guys, we arrived at Fontainebleau here in Las Vegas, our first time staying here. We actually are staying here because we have a concert that we're gonna attend at their theater here, so we're looking forward to it. This lobby is beautiful, and look at these fresh flowers. Oh my gosh, they don't even look real. I hope the video does them justice. They're just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, we got checked in. We're heading towards our tower. The parking structure is a ways, just so you know. Getting to the elevators in the hallway. Hey you guys, we just checked in at Fontainebleau, room 5240. And it is just a beautiful hotel, needless to say. So our first stop, it's the restroom. If you can see this beautiful bathtub, it's gorgeous. One big sink, separate commode in here. And I will say everything is automatic. When you come in, the drapes automatically open. You can close them automatically. Very modern. Shower, we'll let you know how the pressure is. Nice robe hanging. So bathroom's just beautiful. We have a full-length mirror here. And coming in, so the beds look really comfy, don't they, babe?
Yeah.
Like
really,
the pillows look
nice.
so comfy. So we have the closet over here. So decent size.
Yeah.
And a wall safe. You know, we always like a safe, some slippers for the cold feet. It's actually very cold here right now, so.
These are heavy doors.
Are they?
Yeah.
That's cool. So over here we have the assorted snacks that, you know, will cost you a fortune. A fridge full of their expensive snacks and drinks. And then there is a drawer fridge. I don't know if you can see in there, so that's good to keep waters cold and such, so we like that. And let's see, decent sized TV.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
No Keurig, no type of coffee maker. And then just a little seating area here. But let me see if I can show you our beautiful view. And tonight it should be very cool because we can see downtown, the Strat obviously right there. And it's a really pretty clear day. So I would say first reaction, really nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful room, beautiful hotel. We'll let you know what we think. Hey you guys, we just checked out of Fontainebleau in Las Vegas. It was our first time staying there, and probably needless to say if you've heard anything about it, but it is absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh, the property, our room was gorgeous.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, and we're really low maintenance on a hotel room. We just a few things that we want: cleanliness, a good shower, good air conditioner, and I'll tell you, this place went way above any level that we've had in a room maybe ever. I mean, definitely in a
really long time. I mean, everything in that room was high end.
Yeah, it was, and it's very high tech. You know, you push of a button, you're closing the drapes, turning on lights on and off, and the air conditioner was great. I mean,
Awesome.
It wasn't super hot in Vegas while we were here, but kept it really comfortable, and it wasn't like cycling and doing strange things in the middle of the night.
Yeah.
And the bathroom was huge, and the shower had incredible pressure and got extremely hot. It was wonderful. And I'll tell you, they had the best shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. It's not like your typical hotel. Like, it was very high end, and comfy robe if you want one to wear, and slippers. And yeah, just immaculate, absolutely immaculate.
You know, and we were in just one of their basic mountain view rooms. We had an incredible view of downtown Vegas, and it's just so impressive. Everything in there is just so high end. Like, instead of an iron, you get a really nice steamer to you know, if your clothes are wrinkled or whatever. It was just really impressive. If you look around the room, the attention to detail is just, it's amazing.
Yeah, definitely. And, you know, we have found, I guess ever since COVID, that when we stay anywhere now, like, it's really hard to get daily maid service unless you like call and badger them, whatever. And even then, you sometimes don't get it. Well, we didn't even know we had a doorbell, and we kept hearing this doorbell
around 9:30 or something. The doorbell was ringing.
Yeah, they were ringing the doorbell to see if they could clean our room yet. So I mean, that was wonderful because we were only there 2 nights.
Yeah,
so,
right.
And
they did such a great job too. They just, I mean, the whole property is so clean. You'll just notice that they keep it immaculate.
Yeah, and like as you're walking around, they must have a tremendous amount of staff because they were constantly cleaning the floors and, you know, polishing all the metal around that place and everything. And our rate was $99 a night plus the resort fee, so it was like $150 a night, say. We didn't have to pay for parking. It would typically be $20 a night. And ours was just the basic room.
Yeah, it was just the basic.
Yeah, it's not like we upgraded or anything.
They've got lots of different upgrades you can get.
Yeah, and our room was huge. I mean,
was.
There was a hallway.
I was thinking it was going to be nice but small, but it was big.
We were so impressed. The bathroom was huge. We had like a hallway into where the beds are, you know. Really impressed. I mean, we would definitely stay there again if we had another opportunity. You know, we went to a concert there. That's why we stayed there this time. And I'll tell you, if you're going to a concert at their theater, it's awesome.
Their theater is beautiful.
Oh God, it was so nice.
Awesome.
And super comfortable chairs, and just take the elevator down to the theater level. I mean, couldn't be any easier if you're going to an event there. So, I mean, we definitely recommend Fontainebleau. We'd love to hear from you if you stayed there and, you know, what you thought. And as always, thanks for subscribing, you guys. And don't forget to hit that like button.